Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new project in the Trace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the projects button, and at the top of the page click on the plus sign, and as you can see there are a lot of project types to choose from, so I will just go with the blank one, and here it will appear and you can start working on it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.